This collaboration shows how two specialists can create something smarter together. Audio and video that works in complete harmony. I'm Martijn van Bodegom, Chief Operating Officer at Avonic. Avonic designs and builds high-quality PTZ cameras and AV solutions, trusted by international organizations including NATO, G7 and the UN. We're known for reliability, great image quality, and making professional video simple to use in education, corporate and live event environments. Partnerships between manufacturers matter because customers want complete and reliable solutions. When two companies work together closely, the setup becomes easier, performance is more consistent, and the whole system simply works better. It also means that brands understand each other's technology in detail, which gives customers added confidence. The key benefit of Sennheiser and Avonic's partnership is that we combine premium audio with intelligent video tracking. It gives customers a natural, hands-free TV-like experience where the technology works seamlessly in the background. Our joint solution with Sennheiser is the CamDirector voice tracker. It connects Avonic PTZ cameras with one or more of Sennheiser's TeamConnect Ceiling microphones to automatically follow whoever is speaking. Customers need our combined solution because it makes meetings and lectures effortless. The system automatically tracks voices and switches between the different cameras intelligently. So users can focus on the message instead of managing the technology in the room. This solution is perfect for classrooms, meeting rooms, auditoriums, and basically anywhere where people want professional quality communication without the added complexity. This collaboration works so well because we share the same values. Both Sennheiser and Avonic focus on quality and innovation and making technology feel effortless for the end user.